welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and this is going to be an unboxing of the all-new SofaBaton U2. This is the newest, latest version, and it's the U2, the same as the U2 really, except the one thing that I wanted them to do, they did, and that is they added backlighting to all the keys. So SofaBaton, if you're not familiar, it is a universal remote. You can program a lot of different devices into this. You can program it so that it can control different devices, and you can create macros that you can use one key to do several different things on several different devices, all with the push of one button. So very capable universal remote. My favorite universal remote brand is SofaBaton. I love their stuff. So when they asked me if I would like for them to send this to me so that I could check it out with the new backlit keys, I said, of course, I would. This is just an unboxing, so we're just going to take a quick look at it. But I know you want to see those backlit keys, so let's get the batteries in there so that you can see that. All right, so you just pop that back off to put the batteries in there. We're going to do that. Now, to program this, you use your phone. There is a SofaBaton app, and that's where you use it to program, pick your devices, and all that good stuff. You can see it's telling you right now, connect to the SofaBaton app. Once your devices are all in there, use the scroll wheel to scroll between the devices to control them all. And I can see right now that these keys are backlit. I don't know if you can see that because there's a lot of light. So let's dim the lights and check that out. So you can see that the lights are off, and you can see that the keys do light up, that they are backlit, which is really awesome. Like I said, I love SofaBaton U2 remote. The U2 improved on the U1 with a much stronger infrared signal, so no matter where you're sitting or where you are, the infrared signal will reach without any issues. It's just so easy to switch between devices using the scroll wheel and then control them using this, or program any key on any device to control basically any other device and set up macros. My one complaint with the U2 was that it didn't have backlit keys, so it could be kind of hard to use in a dark room. But now you've got those backlit keys. You can see them lighting up there, and that's really cool. I just think that just really makes this the perfect universal remote. If you're looking for a universal remote to control everything easily and simply, then this is it. Once you set it up in the app, it's good to go, and a really, really excellent remote. Anyway, that's going to be it for the unboxing. I'm going to do a follow-up little review and demo so you can see a little bit more about the remote. But that's it for the unboxing video. If you like it, click that like button. If you have any questions, post them down below, or check out my other reviews of the SofaBaton. And yeah, that's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.